Speaking of money, I heard your interview where before the elections in 2014, if I'm not mistaken, you were speaking on corruption, and you said that corruption by its very nature is anti-democracy. And we're at a time where you have the government in the middle of swirling allegations of corruption. Is this not then the biggest blow to democracy and to the mandate?
Right now?
Right now.
Swirling corruption?
Yes, because the entire charge of the Congress and the opposition about Rafale. I do not want to repeat the slogan which is being used.
I know. The airplane will bomb the right people at the right time.
That's a very cryptic comment. Don't you think there should be a larger clarification in the interest of democracy and the mandate given?
I'm saying anybody who is in some kind of public life, either bureaucrats or journalists or lawyers, who have some sense of how these things happen, they all know there might have been mistakes, I don't know, I'm not privy to those informations. But everybody knows, if you add the numbers, there is no corruption in this Rafale deal with the French. Everybody knows that. Well, opposition likes to do those things, it's okay. If there is something, of course it must come out, all right? Of course it should come out. But from what I know, because I'm deeply interested in aviation, I'm a licensed pilot myself, so I've been looking at all the jets and fighter jets and everything in the world. I think the deal is a very good deal for India, whoever made it, because these people claim they made it, these people claim you made it, but whoever made the deal, they made a good deal, as far as I'm concerned, because I know how much an F-21 costs, how much a Sukhoi costs, and its capabilities, what it can do, what it cannot do, all this. But if you ask me, I'm becoming a little impertinent, okay? I'm stating something which nobody in the government or in the opposition will like, nor internationally. It'll lead to trouble. But let me say it because it's been on my mind. I said this in one conference way back when the previous government was there, and they all got very upset. I said, see, why you want to buy a Jaguar, a Sukhoi or Dassault? You need some of them, yes. But larger squadrons, why don't you buy the Chinese planes, Chinese jets? They said, no, 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 Chinese enemies. I said, you fought one war, a disastrous war, but it's time Asia gets together. Asian nations have to get together if we want to go ahead. Otherwise, we'll expend our energies just investing in defense endlessly. When European nations, which have fought World War II, the most disastrous war that human beings can fight, they have become a European Union, what is our problem? We can form a nation union at some point, if not tomorrow, maybe next 10 years, 25 years, it's a possibility. You must do something. So, when I said, no, no, they're not as good as the Dassault, as good as Jaguar, I said, who are you going to fight if you fight a war? You going to fight United States? Are you? Or are you going to fight China? No. If at all, hope it doesn't happen, if you fight, it's your neighbor, Western neighbor, that you're going to fight. And Chinese fighters, they fly and they bomb. They can fly and they can bomb, and for one you can buy 10. You will have many more squadrons on your western this thing, and northern borders becomes your friend, western border you can manage. Hope there also there will be no fight, we can open up the borders at some point. But right now there is a issue, but we need a strong defense and we need an air force. We are not going to go long range and bomb London city, or we are not going to go somewhere and bomb Tokyo, right? Nor Beijing. These are out of our range, we don't even have such intentions in our minds. If at all if it happens, it's within 1500 kilometers your war is. So for that, there are cheaper aircrafts. You can have one squadron of this, has sophisticated stuff, rest of the things there are cheaper aircrafts, and if you buy them, you can also build them, it's much easier to build them.